Meet the Frigidaire Flair, a stove from the 60s that you'll still want in your kitchen today. The Frigidaire Flair, a revolutionary kitchen appliance, redefined cooking when it hit the market in 1962. Developed during Frigidaire's tenure as a General Motors subsidiary, the Flair boasted innovative features that set it apart from traditional ranges of its time. One of its standout features was the electric burners, which smoothly rolled in and out of the appliance on a surface resembling a drawer. This design allowed for seamless integration into the kitchen, while offering convenient access to the burners when needed. When not in use, the burners simply slid out of view, maintaining the Flair's sleek appearance. Additionally, the Flair featured double ovens, one full-size and the other a Dutch oven, positioned at counter height for easy access. Unlike traditional oven doors that swung outward, the Flair's oven doors lifted up, providing a unique and ergonomic cooking experience. An ad from 1962 touted the Flair as the happiest thing that ever happened to cooking or you, emphasizing its modernization of kitchens without the need for remodeling. With 4 stunning models available in 40 or 30 widths, the Flair offered a range of options to suit any kitchen layout. With its blend of innovative design and practicality, the Frigidaire Flair was truly a game-changer in the world of cooking appliances, offering both style and functionality to home kitchens across America. Make sure to like and subscribe for more blast from the past content.